I've been putting all my time into these 45s. This is basically it's kind of a new direction I'm going for, looking at what all we can do with technology. So this saw, it's a 45-inch blade, so it's huge. We had to use hydraulics to lift the hood on this because the hood is very big. But basically the idea behind the saw is we're using a programmable logic control with a touch screen here for the control. And basically what this will do, this will run the main motor, and it will run a stepper motor here that will control the feed. And the idea behind this is that we can monitor the amperage load on the main motor and use the programmable controller to adjust the feed speed with the load varying. Now the beauty to that is you'll never lock up your saw. Like in a smaller screw feed saw, if your blade gets really dull or if the rock slips and the motor current goes way up, unless you're there, it's just going to keep trying to go. This thing's going to sense it and then slow the feed down, or if it's exceeding the amperage set point current that we put in the controller, if it exceeds that, we just shut it off, which prevents having a crash. And the beauty to this also is that when you're moving a really, really big rock, you don't have to move it by hand. You can move it with the controls. So I'm working on that. You guys will see more about that, and I have more designs coming for that are really interesting for some auto cutting saws, because I know all the people that have one-man shops that are trying to cut a lot of material, and they're answering the phone and they're doing all kinds of other things, that having a saw that you can set up and say, I want to cut all the slabs out of this rock, that saw would be really valuable to people. So I am working on that.